ego mind is the only instrument that has the audacity to reduce Jesus or God to a person, a doctrine, rituals, and ceremonies, or a structure. When we think about the gracious spirit of the divine, the omnipresent nature of God, we think about the divinity in all creation, and then ego mind say, let me take it and package it in a way in which I determine what it is for others. And when we do not know who we are, when we do not know our capacity and our ability to access the I am, we allow someone else to do that work for us. And this is where the mistake starts. This is where the suffering starts, because we have abdicated our responsibility to access the divine, be with the divine, sustain the divine, and embody the divine here on earth. Jesus never abdicated that responsibility. He taught us how to be in this world, but not of this world. Meaning, see what is happening with your physical eyes, but tune into your divinity with your heart, so you will not be using your energy, your spirituality in a way that does not align with that of the divine. No divisiveness, no judgment, no hate. Surrendering to the isness of every moment and using the opportunity to say, God, what do you want of me right here, right now, in a peaceful way? In the most loving way, can I make a decision to find a solution? Because left only to my humanness, the choices and the decisions I am going to make will be fear-based. And so we learn every day to be with divine energy when we are making decisions and choosing how to solve perceived life challenges and navigate life experiences.